Hello, it's Raymond Whittaker from VivaMK. Just unboxing a delivery which has come today. So let's have a look to see what our customers are ordering from the VivaMK catalogues. So just opening the delivery. Got an empty box. Got a nice wall plaque. Says welcome to Grandad's shed quarters. Got some wardrobe humidifiers. We've got a nice meal replacement shake for somebody. Got a velvet nice chocolate sleep drink. Got another box. So we have two wardrobe humidifiers. So we've got some dishcloths, dusters. Got a garden weed knife. Got some slow cooker liners. Got 2 packs of slow cooker liners. Got a cooker food hub filter for filtering your. Got a nice pair of kitchen scissors. Got a 3 pack of catalogues for me. Got dishcloths. Got some stick remover to remove the sticky. Another set of catalogues. Another set of catalogues. That's all that. See what's in this small box, which is probably makeup stuff. Got some gel toe protectors. Got some sponge and a soap. So lasts for about 25 washes. A sponge or up to 50 washes. Soap into sponge. It's got some lavender. 2 boxes of lavender. Got some foot softening lotion to soften the skin around here. Got some makeup. Got some nail varnish, white, some deep red, got another bottle of nail varnish, got some eye shadow sticks, got a CC cream from Beauty UK, primer FX. So let's see what's in this box. So this box you've probably got some cleaning chemicals. Let's get it opened. So we've got some washing machine cleaner. Got face covering, face masks. Got some skin cream. Got another tub of skin cream. Got some copper snail and slug tape. Got some tumble dryer sheets. Got some dishwasher descaler. Got some oxidizer powder. Got a tub of drain away, cleaning drains. Got another tub of drain away. We've got some Golden Glow wood polish. Restores your wood furniture. There's a spray for it. You got a packet of drain sticks. Put down your drains. Keep them smelling nice. And we've got a tub of dehumidifier. So that's all what's in our delivery. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.